Hey guys, this is Izzedine from Raqmedia.com. What if I told you that you can currently use Manus AI without spending any credits? Yes, Manus is offering a limited time free access period, and if you've been waiting to test its AI agents, this could be the perfect time to try it. Welcome back. In this video, I'll explain exactly what's free, which Manus agents you can use, how the credit system works, and the important limitations you need to know before the offer ends. Let's get started. Manus has announced that until August 25, 2026, Singapore time, tasks can be run without credits being charged. That means you can use Manus without watching your credit balance disappear every time you launch an AI task. But there's an important detail: this isn't unlimited access. Free usage is still subject to a daily usage limit, and Manus says that limit can change depending on demand and available system capacity. So, if you see a message saying that your task has been queued, don't assume something is broken. During busy periods, free users may have to wait for their tasks to start. Manus Pro and Team users receive priority during these peak periods. Now, let's talk about the agents you can use during this promotion. Manus gives you access to two agents. The first is Manus 1.6. The second is Manus 1.6 Lite. You can choose between them depending on the type of task you're trying to complete. If you're working on a more demanding task, you can try Manus 1.6. For lighter or faster tasks, Manus 1.6 Lite may be the better choice. And here's the interesting part. Under this limited time promotion, using either agent doesn't deduct credits. So instead of worrying about whether a particular experiment is going to consume your remaining credits, you can use this period to actually test what Manus can do. For example, you could experiment with research tasks, content creation, data analysis, document processing, or other workflows that you normally wouldn't want to spend credits testing. This is also a great opportunity to compare the two agents yourself. Give both models the same task and see how they differ in speed, reasoning, output quality, and how they handle more complicated instructions. But remember, free doesn't mean unlimited. There are three things you need to keep in mind. First, the promotion has an end date. The no credit period is currently scheduled to run through August 25, 2026, Singapore time. Second, there is a daily usage limit. That limit isn't necessarily fixed and may be adjusted according to demand and system capacity. And third, you may experience queues during peak usage. So if Manus tells you that your task is waiting in a queue, you may simply need to wait for available capacity. Now, here's my recommendation. Don't waste this promotion on simple questions that you could answer with a normal chatbot. Instead, use the free period to test Manus on real workflows. Give it a task that normally takes you 20, 30, or even 60 minutes. For example, ask it to research a topic, organize the information, analyze the results, and produce a useful final deliverable. That's where an agent-based AI system becomes much more interesting.
Now, before we continue, if you enjoy discovering powerful AI tools before everyone else, make sure you subscribe right now and share this video with a friend who loves technology and AI.
And if you're a developer, content creator, researcher, blogger, or online entrepreneur, this is an especially good opportunity to experiment with AI-powered workflows without worrying about credit consumption. Just remember that availability and limits can change, especially during periods of heavy demand. So to recap, Manus is currently offering a limited time no credit promotion. You can choose between app Manus 1.6 and Manus 1.6 Lite app. Neither agent will charge your credits during the promotional period. However, free users are still subject to daily usage limits. Tasks may also be placed in a queue during peak times, while Pro and Team users receive priority. And the most important date is August 25th. If you've been curious about Manus, now is the time to test it before the promotion ends. I've also prepared a detailed Raqmedia post covering this offer, the available agents, the important limitations, and useful information about getting started. You'll find a link to the full post in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Raqmedia for more AI tutorials, tech tools, and productivity hacks. This is your host, Izzedine, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.